Welcome to our channel. If you want to update software on your Apple Watch, follow this quick guide to install the latest features and security improvements. Step 1. Make sure your Apple Watch is connected to its charger and has at least 50% battery life. Step 2. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Step 3. Tap on General in the My Watch tab. Step 4. Select Software Update and wait for your iPhone to check for available updates. Step 5. If an update is available, you'll see details about what's included. Tap Install or download and install. Step 6. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Step 7. Wait for the update to download to your iPhone and then transfer to your Apple Watch. This process can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. Step 8. Your Apple Watch will restart automatically when the update is complete. Keep it on the charger during the entire process, and don't try to use it until you see the Apple logo and then your watch face, indicating the update was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.